Yung iba po nito ay bumagsak dahil po dun sa snowstorm namin na 5 inches. Then after 2 days, 10 inches. So ito po kinakain po ito ng sheep. Itong pine needles. Yan. Gustong gusto po nila yung kainin. Yan po yung klase ng pines na yung kanya pong needles ay pagdating ng taglamig ay bumabagsak tapos mag-grow ulit. Whoop! What about that small one there in front of you? There's a small one there, like your finger, thick like your finger. You're gonna cut that. Yeah, that one. Yep, yep.
Well, yeah, debating whether to take the whole big limb.
Yeah.
This is my big debate.
Oh, is Jack Jack. Yan, marami akong maipapakain. There. So, kanila gusto po naming dito, magtinda ng itlog ng manok. At kung ano-ano pa. So, maglalagay lang ng driveway. Tapos, ng maliit na tinda-tindahan. Yan pa oh. Bagong putol. Yun po ay bumagsak po yan. Iba dyan bumagsak po yan dito. Dahil sa snow, sa bigat ng snow. That's a long one, Cal. Do you think it's gonna fit? You need to cut it. Gonna fit the gate? I don't think so. It's long. Where's your... You? No, it is long. One more. Now they're gonna feast, Cal.
No, they're not. Just go
Why?
right on the burn pile.
Oh.
Well, I'm not good at monkey around. I got a fire going, so.
Dumidilim na po. Lubog na ang araw.
Pile of barbed wire right there, too.
Barbed wire? Oh, yeah. You. Be careful there, Jack, ha?
Maybe. Try to remember, Lynn.
What?
I got a pile over there
Oh, yeah.
and a pile right there. The dumpster just got cleaned out last night. I'll try to pick that up and take that home when I take the tractor home tomorrow. And then that way, that barbed wire is in the bottom of the truck.
Oh, so you're gonna leave the truck? Huh? Okay. Yan po. Naputol na. Hindi ko po naabutan. Namatay na po kasi. Meron yatang bugs na kumain. Is this the one, Cal? Is that the one that the bugs ate?
These are, yeah, this whole tree thing.
Okay.
Are you talking about that center part?
Yeah, this one. No.
Actually, it was kind of like it was two trees. It was split in there.
Oh.
See, and it was a. But it was two trees.
I don't want that to fall on my head.
All on your head.
Fall on my head. Yeah, yesterday, go back there because I said, okay. When I latched the door, I looked, some of them are eating that needle, pine needles, you know, in the burn pit. So I lured them away. I gave them some pine needles before I left yesterday.
I guess for now I'm not too worried about it. It's down.
Look at guys, it's a big tree. Sayang po, but it's dead because of the bugs. Where's the other one?
Never know with you.
Jack. Okay, it's gonna remove the remaining stuff or woods that we burn here and gonna transfer it there on the other burn pile. Yeah. So that grass will grow there. And so that there will be only one spot over there. Yan po yung wild apple namin. Wild apple. Ewan ko ilang wild apple ang pinutol ng husband ko dito. Pero ito masarap ang lasa last year. Nakita nyo naman po kung napanood nyo po yung video na yon. It's loaded with fruits. Well, I hope this 2024 they're gonna have apple will have a good bearing fruit apple trees. Ayan pa po, mga susunugin pa po ito. Okay lang po magsunog niyan dito as long as na galing po talaga sa pagputol ng puno, hindi siya treated. Kasi pag treated yung wood, katulad ng mga aparador, upuan, hindi po na-allow nila. Tsaka nagpaalam din yung husband ko dati. So basta mga ganito po, ina-allow po nila dito sa states namin na sunugin. There you go. Ayan, kukuha ulit. Buti na lang, hindi ako dun sa kabila dito. Sa kabila. Kasi yung hangin galing from west, south, southwest. Siguro bubuhati niya lang yan.